The most exciting part of the Mini 5 Pro is its camera. Rumors say it will have a 4K camera that records at 60 frames per second, which is a big step up from the Mini 4's 2.7K limit. With 4K at 60, the footage will be incredibly smooth and sharp, making it perfect for everything from stunning landscapes to fast action shots. This upgrade is ideal for anyone who loves creating travel vlogs or professional videos, as the quality will noticeably improve. The camera is also expected to have a better sensor, which will perform well in low light and various lighting conditions, giving you more options for shooting at different times of the day. The Mini 5 Pro is also said to have longer battery life, lasting up to 35 minutes per flight compared to the Mini 4's 30 minutes. While 5 extra minutes might not sound like a big deal, it can make a real difference when flying. More time in the air means more opportunities to capture amazing footage without needing to swap batteries frequently. This is especially helpful for longer outdoor shoots or adventures where you want to focus on flying rather than recharging. For a drone this compact, 35 minutes is a solid performance. Another great improvement is the obstacle avoidance system. The Mini 5 Pro will likely have sensors all around it, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles like trees or buildings. This makes it safer and easier to fly, especially for beginners or those who might feel nervous in tricky areas. If you've ever worried about crashing your drone, this feature will provide peace of mind. It will help you fly with confidence even in challenging environments by making the drone more reliable and less prone to accidents. The Mini 5 Pro offers plenty of advantages. The 4K camera is a standout, delivering smooth, sharp videos that are perfect for professional or personal use. The improved battery life means you can enjoy longer flights and capture more without interruption. The upgraded obstacle avoidance system makes it safer and more beginner-friendly, reducing the chances of crashes and making flying more enjoyable. While the Mini 5 Pro offers several upgrades, the slightly longer battery life might not seem like a major change to everyone. The jump from 30 to 35 minutes is noticeable, but may feel small to some users. However, every extra minute of flight time can be valuable for extended shoots or outdoor adventures. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like a fantastic option for drone enthusiasts. Its 4K camera, better battery life, and improved obstacle avoidance system make a strong choice for both beginners and experienced users. While the battery life increase may not be huge, the combined upgrades make it an exciting release. If you're looking for a high-quality drone, the Mini 5 Pro would be the perfect fit for your needs.